what if I, you know, open this and try to get my hand cut with the rotor? Hey there fellows, Buddy Spike here. Me and my buddy had 1v1 friendly match and we thought, you know what, let's just test our skills a little bit. Even though we both are a bit new with the weapons, so we thought, you know, let's just have a little friendly match and see who wins. We had a few rounds with guns only and then there were a few rounds with heat seekers only and it was a fun match. I think you're going to enjoy it. Stay tuned for the video, fellas. Oh, wait a second. We're in the same team. We had to select different teams because it's 1v1.
Oh, that's my fault.
Oh my god, we don't even know how to
That's
do
my
1v1. It's alright. Now the thing is, I think you gotta leave the server and then join back.
I'm just gonna do it like this.
Okay, that's one way to go. How about we just get in the city, you know? There's a city, I think towards your right.
Yeah, it's right.
Yeah, let's get in the city and we fight. Every time we just respawn, we get in the city and then we fight there. You know what? I'm gonna have the radar next time so that we can at least have a ping on the RWR of each other.
If we're gonna fight in the city, the radar is basically useless. So.
Where are you?
Where are
come
you?
Out, come out, wherever you are.
First up, I get to the city. This thing is slow, and I don't know why.
Let's keep searching and not pretend that we have found each other.
Wait, we have? I can hear you. Okay.
Okay, let's just hope I don't run out of my bullets. The rate of fire is quite slow.
No, I'm using the gal gun, so.
Oh, you sneaky son of a...
Hey.
So you're gonna have a high rate of fire, is it?
Yeah, I'm gonna super high rate of fire. Wait, are you behind me?
Am I?
Oh yeah, oh shit.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah.
Slaved.
Woo.
Come on, turn around, you fat bastard.
Oh boy. Okay. Whoa! No!
I just did it.
Okay. Oh, I have engine failure. Damn it.
Oh, yes.
Did I get you?
Let's go. No, it didn't.
Ah, damn it.
The
Okay,
building
you got
does.
one.
Oh,
You got one. It's all right. I'm gonna get the radar, and I'm gonna try the other gun. Let's see how that does.
yeah, I think the other gun is. I think the 30mm slow gun that you just use is more for ground targets. Which the 20mm is more for aerial targets,
radar.
like helicopters.
Now, power on. Ooh, this is fancy.
Okay, maybe slaved was a little good.
Oh, the low. It's the really high rate of fire. This one. No wonder you got me.
I don't know where you are though. Are you locking onto me?
Am I?
Yes. It used to be my source. Where the hell are you? Oh shit! Oh what? I think my.
You know what? I have some experience with attack chopper in Battlefield 4, and what I've learned is, the higher you are, the better.
Well, that obviously wasn't true since the last match, was it?
Come on, that was beginner's luck.
Oh,
No.
maybe.
Yeah! Was that... Did you have engine failure? Or did you just...
No.
Oh, that was a maneuver kill.
That was a miracle, yeah. Maybe not for me, but for you it was.
Okay, that's 1-1 now.
Yeah.
That's 1-1. Fair game.
I'm letting you win though. How do I get more speed while flying the aircraft?
Well, you just have the collective at max at all times, and if you're not gaining altitude, you're gaining speed. So it's either kinetic energy or potential energy. Get it?
No, I can still not see you.
You can't see me?
No.
Isn't that a shame?
Okay, I should probably lose the mic and slave it. Are you a ghost or something? Where on earth are you?
Well, time will tell.
Oh god. It's never good when someone says that.
And got hit.
Oh shit! I just heard a big
Yes! Hit! You lost your tail. Yeah!
I'm giving him a middle finger.
While you're falling, like you got middle fingers in the air. Oh man. That was a clean kill. That was like eagle striking the bird.
What's that supposed to mean?
I was really high up. You didn't see me there. Huh. Well, this time you should have been in the city. I can't find you. Sure you got your radar on.
Yeah, I got my radar on, but I'm not in the city.
Why not? We're supposed to be there.
Yeah, I'm trying. Oh, my fist.
This high rate
Oh,
of
you popped
fire
up.
weapon is
I can
really
see you.
awesome. Ooh, flying the city really gets you good practice. Flying this thing, you know?
Yeah. I can see you though. Hey, that's a war crime.
What war crime?
Shooting at me.
Oh
I'm
yeah,
innocent.
innocent.
I got my corona pass. Oh no, not this again. Maybe I can save it.
Okay.
I gotta
Come
bail.
on. Oh, you're bailing in the city. Yeah, you're
Oh
it's only.
shit!
Oh, and there you go. That's a second maneuver kill. Wait, actually, now that's 3-1, right? What is it? 3-1? No,
No,
or is
it's
it 2-1?
It's 2-1.
Hmm. How about we do with the heat seekers now? You know what? I have no idea how to defend against incoming missile, other than taking cover behind a mountain or something.
Yeah,
Because
definitely not heat seekings.
in my experience, I've been shot down every time when I don't have cover. Not able to dodge it or use flares, you know?
Yeah.
Speaking of flares, I gotta remember how to use the flares.
Yeah. How do you use them?
Okay, yeah. Wait, you don't know how to use it?
Oh.
Hold the combat collective, okay?
Yeah.
Hold on both the triggers and then a button. Actually, it's the upper button. Yeah, that's it. Use flares for me. Let me see where you are. And that's some low flying stuff there.
But you can see me?
What? I couldn't shoot?
Oh, thank God. Hola. Huh?
How to shoot?
You are a phantom. Where are you?
Oh, now I know how to shoot. And
Push.
whoa! You dodged it. Nice job.
Wait, you're behind me? What the f?
Come on.
Wait. Huh?
You know what? It's actually much easier to
Oh
get you
shit.
the. Ah, damn it! I should have used
Go.
this weapon. Damn it! No!
Go.
I
Go.
should have just
Yes.
used the guns. Ah,
Oh.
damn it! I'm I'm dead. You got me good.
Yay.
Oh, you're alive.
I'm spinning. Turn the right
If I
click.
knew how to shoot, I could have got you.
What do you mean?
I found out about it too late.
I'm trying to turn around. Oh shh. I can
Fox
see you.
2.
No, what the f?
And
I'm in a flat spin.
what? Did you dodge that? You gotta teach me how to do that, man.
To be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. Help me.
Oh.
Help me, I'm just spinning. Power down.
And splash pad.
Eject.
Heck yeah, that was a clean kill. Boom, baby.
I don't know how to keep this thing under control, do I?
Yeah, you kind of really know how to fly in order to shoot.
Yeah.
So,
Do you want to take the
yeah, it seems I won
F-18?
this time again. So, guys, if you want to join me in my next flight, there's a Discord link in the description. You can hit me up on Discord and we can have a chat and maybe you can fly with me next time. And that was Under the Bridge. So, as always, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Buddy Spike out.